Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson says the police have been making strides in solving recent murders. He was speaking in St. Elizabeth yesterday. Shamela Pullen reports.
The breadbasket parish, known for its agricultural prowess, is slowly becoming notorious for crime. In one of the most shocking incidents, 2 Chinese nationals were murdered during a robbery in Bellevue District near Southfield on December 23 last year. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson says the police are far advanced in their investigations into this matter.
This is a reflection of the sort of criminals we have who could go in there. People are not resisting. They could easily do a robbery, but they still want to kill. And that is what we're facing across the country. This is not normal behavior. This is the behavior of people who are intent on creating mayhem and want to create as much fear and terror in the community as possible. We have some idea who they may be, and we are after them.
According to the police commissioner, contract killings continue to be of concern.
We are onto it. We have some ideas about who may be involved, some of them, but it seems to have blossomed over the past couple of years, I'd say, 2-3 years maybe, and even more so, where people are doing killings for money.
He said the crime division is creating an operational and investigative response to the various crimes currently happening. The National Security Minister, Dr. Horace Chang, and Major General Anthony Anderson toured several police stations in St. Elizabeth on Thursday.
We are not going to give them the space to continue to create the terror they are trying to do. We are going to use the tools available to us. We are not going to detain ourselves on other matters that may be arising, that are being discussed in Parliament and at the political level. Operationally, we will respond to this increase that we're seeing.
Several of them are earmarked to be modernized. Dr. Chang believes the visit was necessary and timely.
But overall, my interest is in this meeting the officers out here, getting a sense of what they are faced with, the challenge they have, and to what extent government, from a policy and budget point of view, and legislative point, can do things to support the police in their work. The men and women of the JC are working hard. We just came out of what is called the holiday season, Christmas season. Christmas season, a time in Jamaica, family get together. It's the hardest time for policing. These men are out here seeking to keep peace and public safety.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.